All right, Dan from Follett again. We're looking at the electrical box on the 425 air-cooled model. The electrical box is mounted, in this case it's mounted right on top of the condenser. There's two screws that hold this in place. If this is mounted in a Symphony dispenser, it'll be up on the face of the ice storage bin. But in the case that this is a standalone ice maker, either a top mount or under a counter in a cabinet, the electrical box is mounted up on top on the bracket on the condenser. So it's held in place in the back by these little hooks here and then is screwed in place. So if this machine was ever located under a counter, you had limited clearance to look at get in to look at the circuit board, you can take those two screws off the front, slide the electrical box out. There's one Phillips head screw on the back over here that holds the cover on, and then you can look at the circuit board, look at the electrical, see what's going on there. Have a little bit more clearance, a little more room to do that. But just keep that in mind, that the electrical box can easily be pulled off of the condenser. All right, so if we were going to change out the electrical board on this, of course, first off, we definitely want to make sure that it's unplugged, power is off. For changing out the electrical board, best way to do this is with your new board, just swap one wire at a time from the old board to the new board. That way you know that everything is in the correct place. Our connectors down here are multi-pin connectors. It is kind of nice in that the pins on them only go into one place. So this one happens to be 2, 4, 6, 8. It's an 8-pin connector. There's only one place that this connector will go onto. Only one corresponding socket on the board that has 8 pins.